Hello everyone, and welcome to Balma Tech. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve a TikTok video you've already watched. I'll be demonstrating two methods to do this, so if you accidentally skip a video you were interested in, don't worry, you'll be able to access it again. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and solutions for your Android phone and PC. Method 1. Download your TikTok data. The first method we're going to look at is downloading your TikTok data. Here's how to do it. Tap on the Me icon to go to your profile, and then tap the three lines in the corner. Go to Privacy, and then scroll down to Download your data. If the box next to TXT isn't checked, check it. Then tap Request Data. Your data will be generated into a compressed file that includes your video history. It may take 1 to 2 days to generate. Once it's available, go to the Download Data tab and download the file. You'll need an app like WinZip to extract the data. Open the extracted file, go to the TikTok Data folder, and then the Activity folder. Look for the Video Browsing or Video Explorer text file and open it. When prompted, choose to open it in your web browser. You'll see a list of all the videos you've watched, along with the dates and links to them. To open a video, press and hold on its link until it's selected. If the Open option doesn't appear, copy and paste the link into a new tab. Method 2. Like all the videos, the second method is to quickly like all the videos you watch. Here's how. As you're watching videos, quickly tap the screen to like each one. Later, go to your profile and tap the heart icon in the center. This will show you all the videos you've liked. To keep this list private, tap on the Privacy Settings shortcut and select Only Me for liked videos. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct way to view your video history, but using either of these methods will allow you to easily find a video you've watched before. Conclusion. So there you have it, two methods to retrieve a TikTok video you've already watched. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'm Sebas from Balma Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.